Okay, question 13 says, complete the table of values for y equals a half x minus 1. So, first thing I want you to think about whenever you've got a question like this is, can we plot these coordinates already? So what they've already given us, can we plot that? So the first coordinate is negative 2, negative 2. So our first coordinate would be here. Next one, 2 along, 0 up. 2 along, 0 up. Okay, now we can start to think about this one. So the y coordinate is equal to half of the x coordinate and then take away 1. So half of negative 1 is negative 0.5, take away 1, and you can do this on your calculator as well, equals negative 1.5. We can check if it's right or not because it should kind of fit in between these coordinates. So negative 1, negative 1.5 is about here, or it is here. And yeah, that kind of fits along that line. So next one, half of 0 is still 0, take away 1 is negative 1, and we can check again. So 0 along, negative 1 down. Half of 1 is 0.5, take away 1 is going to be negative 0.5. So 1 along, negative 0.5 down, we're all good still. Half of 3 is 1.5, take away 1 is 0.5. So 3 along, 0.5 up. Okay, and I've now got my 2 marks for this one. I've almost got full marks for this next bit. I need to draw a line. Now I need to draw a line between negative 2 and 3. So I need to make sure that my line that I'm drawing doesn't extend past these points. Notice it stops here and it stops here. I would generally just write next to it y equals a half x minus 1 as well. The second part of that question says use your graph to find the value of x when y is 0.3. So first thing I need to look at is the y-axis. The y-axis is this one, and I need to go up to 0.3. So 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. Now at that point, I'm just going to draw a line straight across to see where it touches my line, and it touches my line here, which is at about 2.4, 2.5, 2.6 should get a mark for. So I'm going with 2.4 for that. Question 14 says, describe fully the single transformation that has maps shape A onto shape B. Well, firstly, is it the same orientation? Is it facing the same way? No, so it's not translation. Can I turn it round to get to that shape? No. And therefore, has it been reflected? It has. So the word I need to use to get my first mark is reflection. And then I have to say in which line. Now I can see from this it would be this line, because it's one square away here, one square away here. So this is my line of reflection. Reflection in the x-axis, but you could have said y is 0 in the line y equals 0.